Hey everyone, Ben here from monday.com CRM team, and today I'm going to walk you through the fundamental building blocks of monday.com and how you can customize it to build the perfect workflow for you. So the first thing that I want to show you is a board. A board is a group of items. As you can see, this board is called deals, and it's a group of items over here. But a board can be anything that you want it to be. So in this specific case, it's deals. In this case, it's leads. Here it's contacts, and here it is account. So you can build it to be anything that you want it to be. Within every board, you have an item and you have corresponding columns. An item can be a topic. So in this specific situation, it's a deal. And with that is different columns of different sets of information. So here, the specific information is the account manager. Over here is the deal value, and all of this can be customized exactly to how you want it to be. So first of all, if I wanted to add any more sets of information, all I would need to do is click on this plus sign, and then there's a whole bunch of different columns that are available. Let's say for simplicity's sake, all I want to do is the file column. I can add that, and as you can see, I can easily start importing data and adding a file as easy as I want. I can also just delete it just like that. These items are also grouped into groups, as you can see over here. So these groups are as customizable as any item is. So this is deals, but I can call this deals active. I can change the color over here. I can move this around. So let's say I actually want one to be first. I can go ahead and do that. And I can start playing around with all of this data as much as I want. From all of these boards, we can have a dashboard. Now, a dashboard is a high level area where we can start pulling in data from multiple boards to see a high level overview. So let's say I have multiple deal boards for whatever reason that is. Let's say it's different teams, and I want to see on a high level in my entire company what's our forecasted revenue, what's the average of one deal, have we hit our monthly goal, things like that, which sales rep is making the most sales. All of this can be pulled into one place. Now, this is also, just like our boards, highly customizable, right? So I can make this larger. I can move things around. So I can say I actually want this to be down here. It's not going to be nearly as pretty if I just throw around with it, but the point is that it can be highly customizable. And we can also start editing things, and this is much more in depth, but we can start filtering by specific information. If we wanted to, we can double down and say, okay, this is all of the information, but I want to see just the one. And as you can see, it starts filtering by just one if I click into it to dive into it further. These are the basic fundamental building blocks of Monday. I hope you enjoy. I hope you take the time to play around with it. And most importantly, I hope you find value and you enjoy using the platform. If you have any questions, you can reach out to support@monday.com, and we'll be more than happy to help you with all of your questions or